introduce my
Yeah,
friend.
sure.
Tell come on. Stella, come. Hi, she's
Hello.
my friend.
Yeah, I'm Stella.
Yeah.
I'm basically from Bangalore. Yeah, I'm Stella and I'm basically from Bangalore.
చాలా మంది యూకేకి రావాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు. యూకేకి వచ్చాక పార్ట్ టైమ్స్ అని దాంట్లోనే ఉండిపోతున్నారు. వాట్ యూ సజెస్ట్ ఫర్ దెమ్?
Yes, at the moment, the situation is very bad as everybody tells. But what I tell is, if you basically want to come and settle back here and want to do something, yes, I do suggest you people to come over here and do. And when you come in, you don't get yourself distinguished into one thing and don't make yourself comfortable in a single place. So if you're coming in for the course, you have to do the course. Part-time is very important because you have to live it for the life. But then you have to also concentrate on the other thing as well. So I never say that you have to be bounded to one single thing. Come out of it, you do part-time because it is very good for living. It is very much needed. If your family way back home is very big shot, there's no worries. If not, you need money, so you need to work. But apart from that, you also need to check for the job, which is very important. Because staying back, visa is very important. Without visa, it's very difficult. So I tell, yes, it is difficult, but if you're really, it is your dream to come and stay back here, I suggest you people to come. But you should have the same energy to come and do the things, whatever is needed here.
ఓకే, హెల్త్ గురించి ఏమంటావు? హెల్త్ ఎలా చూసుకోవాలి? ఎందుకంటే చాలా మంది మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ నే చూస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు.
They are not well.
They are not well. They are going to GP every week, twice. So what do you suggest for them?
So health issues, it was the same thing even in way back home and it is here. But the thing is that sudden ga emayna kavalante dorkatledu. So hospital services is difficult to get over here. See, what I tell is, yes, when the climate changes or when the weather condition is not good, you know, your body changes according to it. So even when you were there in India, when it happened something, you would take some precautions, home precautions. You would never go to hospital immediately until you feel, you know, like it is serious. So until and unless 15 days, if you have the same fever, only then you would go to. But other than you would never go. So what I suggest is the same thing here as well. So if you're taking care of yourself, sleeping well, having your food properly, because sometimes what our friends are doing is basically we have seen is they're busy with the part